Miter-cut jack rafters can be retrofitted with LSSRs after rafters have been tacked in place. To install, first hand bend the acute side of the hanger forward to match the rafter skew. Slide the LSSR into position. Adjust the swivel seat and install nails through the seat holes. With the acute side snug against the beam and the bend line plumb, install nails in all ob-round holes on the acute header flange. Next, install nails in only the 2 ob-round holes on the acute side of the stirrup. Now, fill all nail holes on the obtuse side of the stirrup. Use a hammer to bend the obtuse side flange until flush against the beam. Then, fill all ob-round nail holes.